hydrogen. We will discuss. Okay. Light spectrum of hydrogen. Okay, students. Now first listen. Later you ask your doubts. Okay. Light spectrum of hydrogen. Light spectrum of hydrogen. What is a light spectrum? Students, in the last class in subjective, not in objective, we discussed about spectrum. What is a spectrum? What are the different types of spectrum? Continuous spectrum, discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum is further divided into emission spectrum, absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum is further divided into light spectrum and band spectrum. These we discussed in the last class. Okay. Here, line spectrum of hydrogen is very, very important. This line spectrum of hydrogen is nothing but emitted or absorption spectrum. It is a emitted spectrum, emission spectrum. Line spectrum of hydrogen is example for which spectrum? Emission spectrum. Okay, it is example for emission spectrum. Okay, now students, first listen. What is emission spectrum? Spectrum which is recorded by emitted radiation is called emission spectrum. Isn't it? Spectrum is recorded by emitted radiation is called emission spectrum. So in further emission spectrum we have two types. What are the line spectrum and band spectrum? First of all, emission spectrum is due to what? Excited electron or de-excited electron? De-excited.
De-excited.
Okay, na? De-excited. These all you have to remember to understand this one. Okay, na? So due to de-excitation of electron from higher energy level to lower energy level, we will get emission spectrum. So emission spectrum is further divided into two types. They are line spectrum and band spectrum. Line spectrum is the characteristics of atom. So that's why it is also known as atomic spectra. That is also we discussed. So how line spectrum is looking like? It has a sharp, distinct, well-defined lines. It has a sharp, distinct, well-defined lines due to de-excitation of electron. Okay, na? Now come to the point. Line spectrum of hydrogen. If you take a hydrogen gas in a discharge tube, this hydrogen gas present in a discharge tube is subjected to high potential, that is electric potential or high electric charge. First, the hydrogen gas containing atoms, the molecule hydrogen gas present in the hydrogen molecules present in the gas are splitted into hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen gas, that is hydrogen molecule present in the hydrogen gas is splitted into hydrogen atom. So every hydrogen atom has one electron. So the electron present in the hydrogen atom first excited. This excited electron is comes to ground state step by step. So what are the different step by step? What are the different steps when electron is coming from higher energy level to lower energy level? That is called light spectrum of hydrogen. That is called light spectrum of hydrogen. Say for example, this is the ground level. This is the ground level. It is first excited state, ground level. That is n is equal to 1, this is n is equal to 2, it is n is equal to 3. N is equal to 4. N is equal to 5. N is equal to 6. N is equal to 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 7. Okay? Suppose if electron jumps from any higher level, that is 7 to 1 or 6 to 1 or 5 to 1 or 4 to 1 or 3 to 1 or 2 to 1, we will get a Lyman series lines. Lyman series we will get. What is Lyman series? So just now I told you, this line spectrum is example for de-excitation of electron. De-excitation means what? It is coming from higher energy level to lower energy level. So many lower energy levels we have. Suppose if electron jumps from any higher level, say for example 7 or 6 or 5 or 4 or 3 or 2. For higher, for N1, if you take N is equal to 1, what are the higher energy levels for 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. That are called higher energy levels. If electron coming from any higher energy level to first level, any higher energy level to first level, we will get lines in Lyman series. Lines we will get in Lyman series. Similarly, if electron jumps from any higher level to second level, that is n is equal to 7 to 2 or n is equal to 6 to 2 or n is equal to 5 to 2 or n is equal to 4 to 2 or n is equal to 3 to 2. So here n is equal to 2 fixed. What are the higher energy levels for n is equal to 2? Can you say?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
For n is equal to 2, I am taking as a base. What are the higher levels for that? Other than 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Like that na? So if electron coming from any higher energy level to second level, that is n is equal to 2, we will get a Raman series lines.
Sir, that energy level is orbit, sir.
These are orbits only. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 orbits only. Na?
Sir, n is equal to 8 also exists,
Next.
sir.
N is equal to 8 also exist means higher energy level I am telling. How many are possible? That is I am telling.
Sir, at which level electron will come out, sir?
7 is the maximum level appa. Yakandre, up to now, whatever the element you take, how many periods we have in the periodic table? 7 periods. What is the period number indicates?
Sir, that
Period number
orbit
indicates
also,
what?
sir.
Period number indicates
Principal quantum number.
Idea, other is that point is there. So that's why I am taken maximum n is equal to 7. Infinity level you take, nothing will be happen. Okay, na? You can take infinity level also, any higher level. N is equal to higher to third level. That is n is equal to 7 to 3, n is equal to 6 to 3, 5 to 3, 4 to 3. So you will get a Paschen series. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen. Names you have to remember, scientist names. Next. Any higher level to fourth level. Bracket series you will get. Next, any higher level to fifth level, we will get fund series. So these are the main spectral lines produced in hydrogen spectrum. That is Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, Fund. Here, some key points you have to remember that I will say again. Please remember. Suppose if you heat a hydrogen gas in a discharge tube, first it happens what? What happens if you heat hydrogen gas in a discharge tube? It is split into what? Just now I told you, when hydrogen gas is heated in a discharge tube, it is split into atoms. So whenever hydrogen atom is split into atoms, it absorbs a certain amount of energy. The electron present in the hydrogen atom is get excited. Whenever this excited electron will come into ground state, we will get different spectral lines. What are the different spectral lines? Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and Fund series. When we will get Lyman series? Say definition. What is Lyman series? If electron jumps from any higher level to any higher level to
n equal to 1.
ground level or n is equal to 1 level, that is called Lyman series. Here Lyman series means n is equal to 1, you have to fix. Okay na? Suppose if electron jumps from any higher level to third level, what you will get? Any higher level to third level, what you will get?
Paschen series.
Question.
Paschen series. If electron jumps from any higher level to second level, what you will get?
Balmer.
Balmer.
L silent letter no. Balmer series. Okay, not Balmer, Balmer series. Any electron jumps from higher level to fifth level, what you will get?
Fund
series.
Okay na? P silent letter. Fund series. Okay na? Now you have any doubts? Please ask. 2 minutes.
Excuse me.
You have to. Yes.
Sir, can you summarize once again, sir? My internet problem was there, so I joined.
Okay, wait. So your problem is different. Just now you joined, I think. Okay, I will explain one more time. Please, 1 minute. Students.
Sir, is there any visible spectrum in this, sir? Sir, is there any visible spectrum in this?
You know, not. Ask.
Sir, is there any visible spectrum in this, sir?
You are Tanisha.
Sir, she is asking about visible spectrum, sir. In this visible spectrum is there, he's asking.
This is a visible spectrum, like emission spectrum. In emission spectrum, again we have different electromagnetic radiations now. What are the different electromagnetic radiations I given yesterday? Gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, IR rays, microwaves, radio waves. These are electromagnetic spectrum now. So different spectral lines we will get in different electromagnetic spectrum. So in that, Balmer series is very, very important to us. Why Balmer series is important means because we are getting this Balmer series in visible spectrum, visible region. Visible region means what? We can observe. Isn't it?
Observed, sir.
Now, quick, you can ask quickly. Should not waste the time. Puneet, any doubts? Again, I will say key points. You don't worry about it. Next, Tanisha, Brahmara, Amruta, Lavanya Murthy, Manasa Madhu, Minu, Junaid. Okay. Once again, I am explaining. Please listen, ma. Line spectrum of hydrogen is example for what? Emission spectrum, ma. It is example for emission spectrum. This emission spectrum is due to what you know? Due to de-excitation of electron. In the last subjective class, I told you what is excitation, what is de-excitation. If electron jumps from lower level to higher level, I told you in the sense of apartments, you are going from ground level to any higher level, that is called what? Excitation or excitation?
Excitation.
Excitation, sir.
If higher level to lower level is called
De-excitation.
De-excitation.
okay. Now imagine hydrogen is present in 7th floor. In apartment 7th floor hydrogen is there. If a hydrogen electron coming from 7th floor to 1st floor, here 1st floor fixed, 6th floor to 1st floor, or 5th to 1st, or 4th to 1st, or 3rd to 1st, or 2nd to 1st, we will get Lyman series. Okay na? Clear, students? If electron coming from any higher level to 1st level, which series we will get?
Lyman.
Okay na? Next. If electron coming from any higher level to 2nd level, andre 7 to 2, or 6 to 2, or 5 to 2, or 4 to 2, or 3 to 2, what we will get?
Balmer spectrum.
Series we will get.
Balmer series.
Third level, Paschen series.
Paschen
Any
series.
to 4th level, bracket series.
Bracket series.
Higher level to 5th level,
Punt
Punt
series.
series. Okay na? So if you remember these numbers, you can solve easily these questions. Okay na? Please write 2 sentences about
What
this.
is
Sir,
the role?
where these series are used, sir?
Yenama?
Where these series are used, sir?
These series are not used. Hydrogen spectrum is there now. Hydrogen spectrum gives these lines. You are saying hydrogen have different spectral lines. What is the wavelength and what is the energy and what is the frequency of these spectral lines? We have to calculate now. Different
Yes, sir.
frequencies we will use in different places. So that's why these spectral lines are important.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Again, can you explain the role of hydrogen, sir? So
Explain.
why only hydrogen is taken? So can you explain it?
Hydrogen is why only taken means hydrogen has how many electrons?
One electron.
One
So
electron.
the simplest spectrum is given by hydrogen. So that's why we will take hydrogen spectrum. Higher elements also will give spectrums, but higher elements will give spectrums due to different transactions. Not like this. There we will get different spectral lines. Clear? But we don't have that spectrum in our syllabus. We
So but
have
hydrogen electron can go up to
Yes.
7.
yes.
So can hydrogen electron go up to n equals to 7?
That is it depends on supplying of energy. Greater the energy, greater is the excitation. If you remove that energy, again it will come to original level. Okay, na?
Sir, when will electron will come out, sir?
Already I told in the sense of iron rod. First, if you heat iron rod in furnace, what happened? It is converted into dull red color. If you heat more and more, what happened?
More red.
More and more red. If you heat again red color, what you will get orange color, you will get like that. I told you.
White color.
Blue color will use. Finally, it gives white color also. White radiations also. That are all due to what? Due to excitations only. Due to absorption of energy only. Again, if you remove that iron rod from that high temperature, what happened? Again, you will get original state only. No? So that is called excitation and de-excitation. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please write down.
Sir, when will electron will come out, sir?
Huh?
Electron will come out.
Electron?
Sir, after which orbit electron will come out, sir?
After
Sir,
which
well,
orbit? Electron will come out means we are using ionization energy now. Any atom has a certain amount of ionization energy. Ionization energy means what? Energy required to remove the electron. We are not removing electron here. We are observing electron transitions. How the electron is migrating in the atom. That is we are calculating. See, these all are used to calculate. These all are used to identify movement of fundamental particles in the atom. So why only we are taking electron means protons, neutrons position is fixed in the atom. Where the protons and the neutrons are present?
Nucleus of the atom.
So that's why we are not talking about that proton and neutron. We are talking about proton and neutron. Simply they are present in fixed position in the nucleus. What about electron? We don't know exact position of electron. Somebody are saying electron is revolve around the nucleus. Somebody are saying electron is present in a fixed orbit. Somebody are saying electron is present in fixed orbit but is not rotating. So many views they are telling. So we are observing here. Is electron transition is possible or not? This experiment shows possibility of electron transition. Okay, na? What is the final conclusion we will get in atomic spectrum? That is the structure of atom. So what is the final position of electron? What is the final position of proton? What is the final position of neutron? And what is the final structure of atom? We will discuss by overcoming failures of one theory to another theory. Clear? Hydrogen electron.
Sir, if you supply some electron, it will second.
How you will get proton? H plus means proton only. Na?
Sir, if we supply some electron means it will excite to second state, no sir. If we apply some more energy means it will third. It will go. If we supply energy like that, it will go on continuous.
If you supply energy.
Final state that.
What is the final state means? I am telling the nth level, infinity level. I am telling. Infinity level. I am telling. Energy of orbit is directly proportional to n. Energy of electron is or energy of atom is directly inversely proportional to n value. Greater the n value, lesser is the energy. Lesser the n value, greater is the energy. E is equal to 1 by m square. Greater the energy you apply, greater is the transition of electron takes place. Then what is the doubt you are asking? I don't know. Here I am telling electron present in the hydrogen atom in the ground state first. We are supplying certain amount of energy. It goes to higher energy level. I am removing that energy. What happened? It will come to its original position. I am telling, if you remove energy, it comes to original position, no doubt at all. But at a time, it won't come. That I told in the Planck's quantum theory. What is Planck's quantum theory? I told energy radiates or absorbed discontinuously or continuously. For that, I told you an example also.
In some
hot water, at a time, it will come to 10 degrees centigrade. It will first come to 90 degrees, next to 80 degrees, 60, and so on. Different steps we are involving. Similarly, you are heating one body or one water to 100 degrees centigrade. At a time, while you are heating that water, it reaches to maximum temperature. No, step by step it will take place. Like that, whenever electron will comes to higher energy level to lower energy level, directly it won't comes to ground level. If it comes to ground level, what happened? If it comes to previous ground level, what happened? Previous to second level, what happened? That is we are discussing. So these all are we are getting in spectrum, different radius spectrums. Okay, na?
Yes, I understood, sir.
Please write down. Light spectrum of hydrogen, side heading. Please write down. The spectrum obtained. The spectrum obtained by recording the spectrum obtained. The spectrum obtained means produced. The spectrum obtained by recording the electromagnetic radiation emitted by hydrogen. Emitted by hydrogen is called Hydrogen spectrum. It's called the hydrogen spectrum. Next line now. This spectrum is obtained by passing electric discharge through hydrogen gas. Electric discharge through hydrogen gas. Contained in a discharge tube. Hydrogen gas contained in a discharge tube. Next point. The hydrogen molecules dissociate into energetically excited.
Sir?
Dissociates into the hydrogen molecule dissociated into energetically excited hydrogen atoms. Electrically excited hydrogen atoms produced continuation. Energetically excited hydrogen atoms produced electromagnetic radiation. Okay. It contains, next slide, it contains a series of groups of lines.
It contains
A series of group of lines. They are like write this: Lyman, Balmer, Passion, Bracket, and Fund. Please draw this one. Make it fast, Mark. Actually, I want to complete this entire topic, including problems, but now time is 9:35.
Sir, in this series, which is the greatest series, sir? Sir, in this series, which is the greatest series, sir?
Greatest series. Greatest series means what? You are asking energy or you are asking wavelength? That what is you are asking? I don't know.
Sir, energy, sir.
Energy na. Greater energy for what? Which has the least. E is equal to 1 by n square of a formula. Energy and nth orbit. That is the energy and orbit relation. Energy and orbit relation is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means greater the energy of nth orbit. Sorry. Greater the n value of orbit, lesser is the energy. Why? Because if you take this line and this line and this line and this line, different lines I have taken, which has the least attractions between the nucleus, this one or this one? This one only the least attraction. So least attractions means least energy. This has greater attractions means greater energy.
Okay, sir.
E,
Thank you, sir.
E is equal to 1 by n square formula. E is equal to 1 by n square. Every derivations we have in physics, but no, we don't have any derivations in chemistry. Formulas you have to remember. Energy and nth orbit relation is E is equal to 1 by n square. Okay, na? Completed the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Next.
So 1 minute, sir.
Oh, okay. Please say after completion. Priyanka, they were completed?
Completed, sir.
How you wrote? How
Yes,
you wrote?
sir. You can
You wrote reverse diagram. Completely reverse diagram.
returns.
Okay. Now please write down this Taylor column. This you can say easily. Name of the series. Region. N1. N2. Same. First Lyman series. Lyman series you will get UV region. Lyman series you will get UV region. What is N1 value for Lyman series? Just
1.
now, Lyman series, what is the N1 value? When you will get Lyman series?
N equals to 1.
N is equal to 1.
1 na?
Yes, sir.
So N1 value fixed. Lyman series andre N1 value fixed, that is 1. What is N2 value? Always N2 value should be greater than N1 value. N2 value means 2 we can take. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
2 in the 1, 3 in from 3 to 1, for 4 to 1, for 5 to 1, from 5 to 6, 6 to 1, 7 to 1. Means what is the N2 value? We can take
2 infinity.
3 or 4 or 5 or 6 and so on. Clear? That is N2 value. Next, Balmer series. Balmer series you will get in visible region. This is very, very important. What is the N1 value for Balmer series?
2.
2. 2.
N2 value?
3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Always should be greater than N1 value. So that's why, according to that diagram, when we will get Balmer series? From 7 to 2, 6 to 2, 5 to 2, 4 to 2, 3 to 2. So if any transaction we are getting a Balmer series only, na? So that's why N2 value 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, na? Next, Paschen series. When we will get Paschen series? So Paschen series, you will get a near IR. Near IR region, that is infrared region. N1 value 3 mark. N2 value
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 4.
and so on. Bracket series. Okay. Middle IR. 4. And so on. Fund series. Power IR. Six, 7 generally we will take the infinity line. Are you clear about this table? See, you check whether you are doing problems from your objective material or not. That you have to check first. Yesterday I given some questions. Are you completed that questions from objective? 3 or 4 problems I told you. How many are completed? Indu aita? Madidra? Next month. Another important thing. Is completed?
Yes, sir.
Now listen, one important thing. You have to solve problems based on this. 1 or 2 problems I will explain. Listen carefully. We have different spectral lines. There are different lines, Lyman, Palmer, Paschen package. How to calculate wavelength, energy, or frequency, or wave number of these different spectral lines. Suppose I am telling electron is coming from 5th orbit to 1st orbit. Electron is coming from, that is de-excited from 5th to 1st. 5th orbit to 1st orbit. What is its energy? What is its wavelength? What is its frequency? How to calculate? Please remember, the energy or wavelength or frequency of any spectral line we can calculate. We can calculate by using Rydberg equation. How to calculate the energy, wavelength or frequency of any spectral line? By using what? Rydberg equation. We can calculate by using Rydberg equation. What is the Rydberg equation? Now I will read. Please observe. Rydberg equation is nothing but mu bar is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is the formula. Mu bar is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here, what is mu bar? Mu bar is equal to wave number. What is that? Mu bar is equal to wave number. What is R? R is called Rydberg constant. R is called Rydberg constant. Students, you have derivation for this formula. but we don't have derivation in our textbook, in our syllabus. Okay, na? Direct formula you have to remember. U bar is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. I don't know whether it is in physics or not. Direct formula they given. Next, what is R value? 109,677 centimeter inverse. 1.096 into 10 power 7 meter inverse. Okay. Next, here what about N1 and N2 values? N1 and N2 values are, suppose electron coming from 5th to 2nd. What is 5? What is 2? We have to take N1 value is 2, N2 value is equal to 5. Right? He given two different transactions, inductor transactions. N1 value is low value, N2 value is a high value. Say for example, electron is coming from 7th to 1st. What is the N1 value?
1.
1. The N2 value?
7.
Electron is coming from 4th to 2nd. What is the N1 value?
2nd. 2.
N1 value 2. N2 value?
4.
4.
Electron is coming from infinity to first orbit. What is the N1 value?
1.
1.
N2 value?
5.
Infinity. Like that. Are you clear? So this is the formula. N1 is equal to energy of lower orbit, N2 is equal to energy of higher orbit. Or higher energy level, lower energy level, not energy. Higher level, lower level. So this is the formula for Rydberg equation. Please write down this formula. What is the relation between wave number and frequency? Bravara? Wave number frequency relation is number. Yesterday I told formula. Nu is equal to something. Nu is equal to nu bar into C na. Formulas you have to remember now. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Nu is equal to nu bar into C. E is equal to hc by lambda or E is equal to h nu. Should not forget these formulas. So first, whatever they given, first we will get nu bar only. After that, we will get different relations. Energy wavelength, relation number. What is the relation between energy wavelength?
Inversely.
Inversely proportional.
Energy frequency?
Directly proportional.
Directly proportional.
If you take energy and wavelength, E1 by E2 means their opposite what we have tried. Lambda 1 by lambda 2 or lambda 2 by lambda 1. I am taking two bodies. Its energy is E1, wavelength is lambda 1. Another body, energy is E2, wavelength is lambda 2. What is the relation I have to take?
Lambda 2 by lambda 1.
E1 by lambda.
E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Okay, now inversely proportional alva. Suppose frequency energy E1 by E2 is equal to
Nu 1 by nu 2.
Nu 1 by nu 2, not nu by nu 1. Okay, na? Clear? Are you ready? I want to solve one question. Completed?
Yes, sir.
One question I will explain.
1 minute, sir. Just 6, sir.
Two questions I will do homework you have to solve. So tomorrow you have to say the answers for me. Yes. Priyanka,
Completed, sir.
write down. What are the? Please write down fast. What are the frequency and wavelength of a photon? Wavelength of a photon, PHOTON, photon emitted during a transition from, I repeat, what are the frequency and wavelength of a photon emitted during a transition from n is equal to 5 state to n is equal to 2 states. N is equal to 5 state to n is equal to 2 states. In the hydrogen atom, n is equal to 5 state to n is equal to 2 state in the hydrogen atom. Yes. Students, please listen. This I will solve. N1 is equal to what we have read. We given two values in the question. N1 is equal to n,
2.
you should not confuse. Always n1 value is less than n2 value. What is n1 value? 2. n2 is equal to
5.
n2 is equal to 5. Okay, na?
5.
n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 5. See? R is equal to 109677 centimeter inverse. Formula, first step, nu bar is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. U bar is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 5 square. Next, U bar is equal to 109677 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 25. U bar is equal to 109677 into the 425 LCM. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 25 LCM 100.
100.
100, sir.
100 how many times will go in fourth table? 25 times.
25.
25 how many times will go in 100?
4 times.
4 times.
Looking like mathematics class. Okay na? Idu 25 and idu 4. 25 minus 4 ma.
21. 21.
21.
Idu clear? Children, this step clear? I did a
Yes, sir.
simplification here. Next, nu bar is equal to, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು 23032. This is the units. Okay na? 23032.17 centimeter inverse you will get. Okay na? Centimeter inverse. Huh?
So can we keep it in meter inverse?
Meter inverse.
So can we use that?
You can use, no problem. I have taken centimeter inverse now, so that's why nu bar means 1 by lambda na 1 by lambda andre centimeter 1 by centimeter simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ centimeter inverse. Nu bar in centimeter inverse only na. You can take meter inverse also, no problem. That is your wish. Next, You do basic. Whatever the transition you take, you will get first nu bar only. You want to get wavelength, you want to get frequency. After that, we can calculate frequency and wavelength. So next, what we have to calculate, ma? Wavelength and frequency, na? Notice, nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Nu bar is equal to 1 by, lambda is equal to 1 by nu bar, that is equal to 1 by 2302. So see, round figure I am taking, not after 0.17. Lambda is equal to how much you will get, ma? So you will get a scientific notation. .34 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. Lambda is equal to 434 into 10 power minus 7 centimeter. You can write now. Lambda is equal to 1 angstrom is equal to how many? Sorry, 1 nanometer is equal to how many centimeter, ma?
10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the
To the power
power
minus 7.
Instead of this 10 power minus centimeter, I can write nanometer, na? Will you accept?
Yes, sir.
434 nanometer. Wavelength. Next, third one, frequency. Nu is equal to nu bar into C formula. Nu is equal to nu bar how much? 23032 into 3 into 10 power. So I am taking in centimeter now. So you have to take it here centimeter per second. Then 10 power 10 centimeter per second. ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಬಾರ್ ಇಂಟು
ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್
lambda into
lambda.
so lambda into C we have to take now, sir.
You can do that also.
No, sir.
Here,
Centimeter inverse and centimeter will get cancelled, no, sir.
that is I mean centimeter inverse centimeter cancel per second and that is unit for what frequency only na per second is nothing but hertz. So that's why nu is equal to this is you will get na round figure I am writing that is 6.909 scientific notation into 10 power 14 hertz. Class? No? Students, please write 2 problems very quick. Important data I will say. Please try. Try alla compulsory ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Write down 2 questions. Better to write in rough page. Later you write in notes neatly. Electron jumps from question number 1. Electron jumps from fourth orbit to first orbit. Fourth to first mark. Adi neeve barkoli. Adi N1, S2, N2, S2. That I don't want to say. Okay na? Full stop. Calculate wave number. Wave number as usual you will get. Wave number, wavelength, and energy. Calculate wavelength, wave number, wavelength, and energy of that electron. An electron coming from fourth to first. For that you have to calculate wave number, wavelength, energy. That's the first problem. Next, second problem. electron transition from fourth to second in hydrogen atom. Fourth to second in hydrogen atom. Calculate its wavelength emitted from the electron. Calculate its wavelength emitted from the electron. Now you will be perfect in this type of problems. Okay, na?
Sir, in second question only wavelength you should find, sir.
Ma, yeah,
In second question you have given, we should find only wavelength, sir. No need wave number and frequency.
hey, without wave number, how you will calculate wavelength? Compulsory, first you will get wave number only. Aita, wave number in the wavelength barodu. What is the Rydberg equation? U bar, not nu or not lambda. So that's why compulsory first we have to calculate wave number.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So nimge ashtu doubt ide andre calculate wavelength and wave number.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
sir. Bye.
I hope you can do easily. So please submit your answers tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
So completed. Please write those who are not completed yet. Solution. Shruti completed. Murali Swami. Murali L. Swami completed.
Yeah, sir. Complete.
Vinay BK. Vinay BK, you have to say answers tomorrow. Tanmay. Shruti. Nikita Sunil.
What about the test question?
ಏನು Brahmara?
It's a test question.
Test portion you didn't get up to electromagnetic spectrum.
Yes, sir.
A problems ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ wavelength frequency wave number ಅಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಇದೆ, that is also included. ಅಂದ್ರೆ Planck's quantum black body radiations ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes,
So,
sir. Thank you.
black body radiations ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೂ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
When I completed.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.